Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with some new storage solutions I have for my craft room. So first up is this scrapbook.com 8.5 by 11 stackable paper trays, the 8-pack, and it really holds the paper well. It looks nice on the shelf. I used to have my 8.5 by 11 paper in that paper tray there, which now holds my punches, which I really like. And the only negative thing about it is that if when you have as much paper as I have in it, it's kind of hard to get some of the full ones out, but you can get them out. It just takes a little effort. The other new storage solution I have are these bins that I recently purchased from Target in the Bullseye Playground area, I guess it's called. They have a little lip on them so you can pull them out, but they hold my 6x6 paper pads and the 6x8 paper pads really well. I also bought them for my gems and my florals. So I just wanted to share with you these storage solutions. I really like these little bins from Target, and I love the eight shelf paper holder from scrapbook.com. If you have any questions, put them below. I just wanted to share these with you, and I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.